Quality leather starts with responsible sourcing.
Each step follows strict animal welfare standards. Only premium hides move forward. Traceability begins before processing. Leather production uses what would otherwise be wasted. Precision preserves material integrity. Cleanliness begins immediately. Every hide is evaluated by hand and eye.
Preservation is critical before transport.
Moisture control prevents degradation. Stability during curing protects structure.
Every batch is logged and sealed.
Data follows material at every stage.
Conditions are tightly controlled.
The journey to transformation begins. Raw material moves under full traceability.
Distance separates origin from transformation.
Manufacturing begins long before the first machine starts.
Every arrival is logged and verified.
Bring it back easy now. Keep it coming. All right, hold it right there. And stop.
Human coordination guides heavy logistics.
Precision prevents material damage.
Environmental control is maintained. The factory opens its doors. Conditions are confirmed before release. Material is ready to transfer.
Movement begins with care.
Raw material crosses the threshold. Order prevents chaos.
Verification protects the process.
Material is officially accepted.
Next, transformation begins inside.
Every step is synchronized. Beyond these doors, raw material becomes craft. Preparation begins with rehydration. Time and chemistry work together. Automation supports consistency.
Human oversight remains essential.
Material moves renewed. Purity is engineered.
Next comes selection.
Inspection begins with touch.
Inspection sets the standard.
Every imperfection is noted. Transparency guides later cutting.
Uniformity is measured, not assumed. Drying shapes leather's character. Even tension prevents distortion.
Time and air do the work.
Environment replaces guesswork.
Precision governs patience. Strength emerges as water leaves. Flexibility is engineered. Touch defines readiness.
Uniformity demands adjustment.
Consistency is cut in microns. Nothing is uncontrolled. Data replaces estimation. Every square inch is analyzed.
Efficiency is calculated.
Precision prepares to act. Movement is eliminated. Design meets material. Accuracy is mechanical. Waste is minimized.
Humans still decide. Accuracy is verified by eye.
Comfort joins durability.
Finish enhances longevity.
Durability is ensured. Reliability is tested through repetition. Failure is not an option. Wear is simulated before use.
Color must endure.
Final humal touch.
Logistics organize variety.
Form is preserved in transit.
Packaging is engineered too. Destination is assigned.
Multiple formats, same care.
Volume meets coordination.
Stability ensures arrival.
Security is layered.
Inventory waits in realistic.
Demand activates movement.
The final handoff begins.
Finished goods leave the floor.
And this is how modern factories produce leather jackets from start to finish.
Industry never stands still. Please like, share, and subscribe.